Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple drill bit M10 tap bit. I hope you like it. So let's see how to do this and how to make this tap bit in Solidworks. It's very useful for newcomers and for initial projects. First we will make a body. Select top plane, sketch. Better let's start with line. Draw a horizontal line up to origin point. Okay. Exit. This is our simple geometry. You can see it here. Let's define it. 90 mm we will keep overall length. .28 mm. 40 mm. Okay. Now drag it to a certain level. Now delete this relation. Let's define some dimensions. Three mm. 5.5 mm, and let's say this one 5 mm. 3.75 mm. Let's define the angle 30 degree and this end 45 degree. That's it. Okay, now let's define one. Select this taper and this taper line. Define relation perpendicular. Okay, that's fine. Let's make this dimension also. Let's keep 2.5 mm. Okay, now see the geometry is fully defined. So select here revolve boss base. Select this line as a center axis revolution. Okay, now we will define first material. So select it, machined steel. Or you can select another material. Let's satin finish steel. Keep machine steel is quite better. Now let's make here thread. So again choose top plane, sketch, normal. Select here center line command and draw one line, a horizontal line. Exit. Select the line and make relation horizontal. Choose smart dimension and keep the length 30 mm only. Now exit. Now again choose the same top plane, sketch. Select here center line, construction line, and draw a geometry. Exit. Now here we will draw the triangle profile or thread profile. So we will start with center line. Exit. Now let's define the 60 degree, 60 degree, Okay, now select this center line and select both lines and make relation here. We want to keep one important relation. Again choose this side and center line. I think it's not going to create. Let's check one more time with. Okay, it's 30, it's center line, no need to define. Select here line. Select smart dimension. Keep 1.5 mm and the distance from here 0.19 mm. That's it. Now select here line and draw a horizontal line here up to exit. Now this is the shape of thread profile. Let's keep the gap 0.08 mm. Okay, select here fillet and select, keep small 0. Let's say 0.9 and select this corner. Okay, okay here. So this is our geometry, it is fully defined. So simply exit and go to here swift cut command. Now we already selected the profile, just select here path, select this line and go to option and select here twist along path. Keep turns 20. See 20 number of turns. You can click here, show the preview, so you can easily see the preview here. Okay, now see we created the thread of tap bit. This is M10 tap bit thread. Now let's go ahead. Top plane sketch, take the position, select here corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Let's define it 13 mm. .5 mm. Okay, center line and draw one center line. That's it. Now make one relation, select this outer line and select this line and make relation collinear. That's it. Smart dimension and define the gap 4.5 mm. Okay, select here fillet, keep radius 2 mm and select this end. Okay, now let's try to cut this face. So select here end condition through all both, so that we will cut it in equivalent shape. Select here OK. Now see, now select here circular pattern, select this cutout and here select this face, and we want to keep 4 number of patterns, 360° equal spacing. Okay, now you can see it here. This is the shape for gripping. This is hand tap bit. Now this one finish. Now we want to cut it here, so we want to make some groove in this thread. So select here, let's say front plane, sketch normal, select line, exit. Select these 2 points, make relation vertical. Now let's define it. (31 mm) and let's say radius 18.2 mm. Okay, and we want to define some keep 7.5 mm. Okay, now exit. Now select here right plane, sketch, take the position, another position. This is better position for us. Select here spline, exit. Let's connect this. (7.3 mm) 2.04 mm, 2.43 mm, 1.68 mm, and the distance from here to 4.99 mm, and one more distance, (6.86 mm). Now see, the geometry is fully defined. Okay, now exit. Now select here shift cut. Now profile selected, just select the path. See, it's going to cut a groove here. Keep here end condition, follow the path. Okay, now you can see we cut a fantastic shape. Here let's make the multiple number of cutouts. So select here circular pattern, and let's select cut sweep and select any circular face. I will select this face, and here keep three numbers, 360° and equal spacing. Select OK. Now see, we created the face. Now select this cutouts and this face, and we will select some plating, steel plating, and this thread also we will choose steel plating. Chrome plating. See, you can see the threads here, it looks nice. Now choose fillet, keep 1 mm and select this corner. Okay, that's it. Now we want to, in tap bit always there is a taper, not the straight. The initial threads are very small, and at the end you will get the final result. So here we will reduce it. So let's do one thing, create one plane first. Choose top plane, plane. (0.3) flip direction. Okay, this is possible to cut this thread, this side. select here OK. Now select this plane, sketch, choose a line. Connect it, exit, choose center line and draw one center line. Make sure it is horizontal. Let's give some small dimension so it suits our requirement. 2.9, 4.25, and okay, this size is quite better. 5.92 or make it 5.5. so some more threads will be selected. Okay, this make sure the threads are covered, initial threads should be covered. Now select here revolve cut and keep the degree only 70. Now we selected here the line of revolution. Now just rotate it and see the in an opposite direction, is there anything balance? Because if anything balance, it will create a problem. See here, some portions are balanced here to cut, so we will go for two direction. You can see here, maybe our plane is not perfect, so do one thing, go to direction 2, and direction 2, let's say 5 degree or 10 degree, it's going to covered. Select OK. Now we made it. See, these are the initial tabs for thread, for making the threads, and these are at the end you will get the final thread of any bore or any hole for any thread. Now let's make the multiple number of patterns. Select here circular pattern, select here cut, revolve, and here select any circular face. Select this face, 360 equal spacing, geometry pattern unchecked, and select OK. Now you can see, so this is the our M10 tap bit. Now select here, let's choose top plane, sketch, normal, and here we will create some logo. Select give some gap, is up to you. Select this line and select dormer, M10 by 1.5, bold, unchecked, and select here font, and we will change the font so that it easily identifies. Keep bold, and this one, let's say this better, you can see the very clear, M10 by 1.5 mm. Select OK. Now select here split line command, select, see here our current sketch is selected, select the face, so we want to project on this face. Select here single direction, it's going I think reverse direction. Select here reverse direction, keep projection, OK. Now see, so this is the our, if possible you can define the color. Select the each and every letter separately so that you can define a particular color. Select here OK. Now this is the our drill, tab bit, hand tap bit M10. Now select this face and define chrome plate. That's it. It looks nice. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Don't forget to share and like our video. If you want to see, select here 360-degree render tool, and you can see here preview window or integrated preview. So in same window you can see the rendered. Select OK, and it may takes time, but it looks nice. Now you can see here preview window, integrated preview window. Now we did render in the same window, we did not open a new window. So don't forget to share and like our video. Uncheck. Thanks for watching.